5 reasons why your business needs a website. Different people use different excuses for not having yet a website about their business, like, I'm not tech savvy, they're too expensive, I don't have the time, or the infamous, I earn enough and I don't need one. The reality is you don't need to be tech savvy. Getting a good website for your business can be inexpensive and simple, and it's even easier if you consider that not having one is losing you time and money. Did you know that 81% of people use the internet to investigate a business or service before making a purchase decision? This means that 25.92 million individuals look for businesses online, while 46% of business owners say they don't need a website because I earn enough and don't need one. Are you still unsure if your business needs a website? Below you will find 5 simple reasons why your business needs a website. 1. Having a website means more consumers for your company, which means more sales and more money in your pocket. As I previously stated, 81% of individuals use the internet to study a business or service. If you don't have a website, forget about this audience, you'll never be able to capture a piece of the pie. Having a website simply means being accessible to your audience 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. 2. Having a website increases the credibility of your real and potential customers. We live in the 21st century, and we must recognize that people do not believe all they hear. Having a nice website enhances your credibility as a respectable company right away. Remember that first impressions matter, and a well-designed website allows you to make a powerful and professional first impression. 3. It is neither difficult nor costly. Many websites offer a very easy sign-up process that makes the process quick and not hard at all. Aside from that, having a website for your company may be incredibly cost-effective because it provides a higher return on investment than any other method of advertising. If you're considering about getting a website for your company, don't hesitate. 4. With a website, you save your time. It takes time to communicate with your consumers via emails, phone conversations, or proposals. Your website helps customers save time by answering typical questions and inquiries. You can use the time you've saved to achieve something more worthwhile. 5. Position yourself and stay in control of your brand. A website serves as a platform for your messaging, and helps to shape the online perception of your company, in ways that social media can't. The website enables you to position yourself in the market, to attract the specific customers you seek. To summarize, it's easy to be a better business. Get a website.